Good everyone, you're welcome to this video. To my new and no subscribers, you're welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit this type of video. Right? Maybe you want to edit a video, maybe you feel like, top 10 footballers in the world. We have been seeing this kind of videos on TikTok, on Facebook. Yes. So I'm going to show you how you can achieve this video using your smartphone, CapCut. Alright, so without wasting much of our time, let's head over to CapCut. So here on CapCut, all you just need to do is to go over to new project and add your video. So this is your video. Now this is how you are going to share this video. It's very straightforward to share. Place your phone on a tripod. I have to place my phone on a tripod. So this is how you're going to share this video. Just making all this kind of gesture. You know how you want your video to look, right? You know how you want it to be, so you should know how to record it. So it's very straightforward. So now, first of all, I'm going to go over to test, add test. So let me add my test. So go over to, I've already added test and test what tech skills are in demand in 2025. Yeah, 2025. Go over to style. Can you see size? Just reduce the size. Now let me, yes, it's okay like this. So go over to font, leave it as system. You can decide to use any font you want, okay, but I want to leave it simple like this. Go over to style. So under this style, go over to background. Now you can now select background. This is it. Let's select this one. So it is black background. Alright, it is, the background is set as black while the text is set as white. Can you see? So we can just reduce the size. So once you reduce the size, so under this background, if you scroll down, you see the corner radius. You can decide to give it a corner radius. Can you see? Good. So but you can, or leave it like that. So you can just decide to go through this so that you can know the one that is perfect for you. Alright, I want my 2025, I want it to be yellow, so I'm going to tap on it. So tap on it again, and I want to select 2025. So I'm going to go over to this style, scroll over to text. So I'm going to give it yellow. Good, mark it. So I'm going to have it like this. So let me move it forward a little bit. So I'm going to have it like this. So let's move this one up. Good. So the moment I raise my hand up, I'm going to duplicate this. So I'm going to bring this one forward, duplicate. Alright, so good. So this one should be number 1. Okay, let's give it number 1. Go over to 1. So I'm going to go over to type video editing. So I'm going to mark it. So this is number 1. Just drag it here. So you're going to have it like this. Can you see? So you can tap on it and go over to animations. Go over to animations. So you can give it animation. Can you see? Any animation at all. Alright, just go through it, you'll be able to get it right. Can you see? And give it animation. So this is how you are going to do everything. So once you get to this point too, so all you just to duplicate this, now bring it here. So it means you are going to bring this one, move this one back a little bit, drag it back and bring it on forward. So you're going to have it like this. So move it forward. So tap on it. So you're going to give this one a keyframe. So you're going to bring it here. So move it forward. You're going to drag it like this. So you're just going to have it like this. Can you see? So tap on it, tap on the text, and go over to change it to number 2. Give it let's just say graphic design. This is it. Alright, so this is how you are going to repeat it and you are going to get it right. It is very simple. Just make sure that you you set it to that point that you make that gesture so that everything will go in line with it. All right, so let's just skip the rest. Now the last thing I'm going to show you here is I'm going to show you how to add your sound. So if you want to add your sound, just go back to audio, go back to sound. So you can decide to extract your audio from a video. Check my recent videos that I dropped. So just check it. You're going to see how to add sound to your video. It is very simple. How to extract sound and all that. Just check my recent videos. You're going to get it right. Now go back to this memory card. So this is it. We have sound here. You can just use this one. So if you are not okay with that animation, you can change it. Go back to animation. Let's change the animation. I don't want it, so I can just use this one. This one too. I can use this too. So that's just it. So once you are done, at the end of the video, maybe you feel like, oh, let me add to it. Share, please share. What I normally display at every end of this video that you used to see on Facebook. You understand? Please share. Just go back to test. At the end of the video, please just type please share. Please share. Can you see? So you just increase it like this. Make sure it is centralized. Alright. Mark it. So you are good to go. Just add your sound. So it is very straightforward. So at the end of this video, go back to animation, go back to out and give it fade out. So make sure the video fade out. It is very straightforward. Please, if you do not understand this video, go back to the beginning and watch it again. It is very simple. Alright, so once you are done, please make sure you click on the post notification bell so that whenever I drop an amazing video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. Don't forget to share this video, drop your comment, and once you are done, come over here, increase your resolution to 1080p or 4K, and export your video. Very straightforward. Thank you for your time. I will see you in my next video.